Just walk down for a couple more steps. There you go. Alright, sit down nice and easy.
Awesome.
Nice. Natural. What'd you think?
Awesome. That's the way it should be.
Oh yeah.
That's as far as it goes.
There we go, perfect. Third time's the charm. One hand here, one hand back. You are set to jet.
Perfect. Yeah, that'll be some good video for sure.
You want to stand up right there for me? Both hands up there. How was that? Pretty good?
Awesome.
Loving it.
All right.
Looking good. I'll get the backwards view. Loving it. Yep. All right. There you go. Hold on, Jesse, Zach. You're all set.
Perfect.
All
right.
Am I blinking?
Go over to the left-hand side. When you're going along, you'll be able to see your shadow.
Awesome.
Fast.
Oh, wait, which way am I going to do it? Yeah.
Stand up right there. Face me over here.